Guys, we're back in front of the mall again today, but this time we are rolling camera. What happened yesterday, I came here, even though I didn't get through the mall, deal with nice little flowers garden in front. The thing was, I popped the camera out, switch it on, and I did not press record. So I did a whole video yesterday right here, same spot, and I did not press record. Even capture a moment when somebody was like hollering, and I said, yeah, at least I get a clip. Only to turn around and check the camera after when I'm going to turn off the recording. That's when I realized it wasn't recording. This time I'm triple checking, make sure that I'm recording. Yeah, so the plan is to go and get my phone, because I gave it to fix about 3 days ago. When we come yesterday, they tell me that the screen that was on it was a generic one and it needed the original one. So I gave it back to them, and they say they're gonna put the right one. It's in front of the shop right here. This shop. And I think they do a good job, because they deliver on time, but it was the wrong screen. Hola.
Amigo, lo que pasa es que había pantalla pero original.
Ajá.
Pero te están diciendo algo ahora.
Sí, ahora sí.
Sí, porque te funciona más esa que la otra. Por eso que se te fea. Ya se le pusieron los LED, pero
¿Ah?
tiene que ser la original para que te funcione. Yo te estaba llamando en la mañana, no contestaba.
Hoy. Ah, estoy trabajando.
Estaba trabajando. Buena.
No sé. So now it's 100 to fix that phone.
Hasta en los colores que funciona mejor la
¿Ah?
Hasta en los colores que funciona mejor la original.
Pero el pantalla que entro ahora no funciona tampoco.
No, o sea, de esa OLED no te va a funcionar porque es lo mismo que la que tiene que ser la original para que todo
Pero eso no funciona ya. Pero el original sí funciona.
original funcione.
Ah. ¿Y cuánto es eso?
En $100 la original.
¿Para hoy?
No, ya, es que como no me contestaste,
Ajá.
sería para mañana.
O mañana sábado.
Si me hubieras contestado, hubiera sido para hoy. Déjame ver el
En la Play 4, ¿no? Play 4. No. ¿De cuál?
la pantalla. Como no me contestaste, si me hubieras contestado, sí te lo hubiera.
La recibo allá en la cara. Mándala.
¿Vas a querer la original entonces?
Sí.
Sí.
¿Quieres arreglar? no cambio batería ese.
Batería para acá.
Para control.
¿Qué número usa la batería?
Yo no sé, yo nunca he abierto. Get some payment, but also you know now buy the watch it. Spend it. Yeah. So,
¿Va una o va a cancelar?
¿antes eso?
18.
¿Tú no tienes una que frena? No, pero no. Ese punto es el frente de ti. La mierda y todo el plato que te lleva ahora, cash.
¿Va a cancelarlo todo?
No,
Solamente la batería y eso.
no, el watch, yeah.
Esto mañana.
Sí.
6:05.
No, yo no sé cuánto es kilo que es. Dale, esta es la celular. Yo pago tú usas Yapi, ¿eh? Este, siempre.
Y el se le cobraría el 100. ¿Y esto?
Sí. ¿Cuál es tu Yapi?
68. 88.
68 88
10.
10
Ajá. 88.
88. Zang.
19:26.
19.26.
¿Cuál sería su nombre? De $100
Johnson.
faltarían 19.
¿Cuánto falta?
19.
Ya, dale. Just yeah, so just get more expensive to fix the phone because again I was saying that the original screen was the fucked up at first. I guess still is. I mean, them watch it. Buy one. Cheap. But it's the same like the things them from Temu. ¿Qué carga esa usa? ¿Ese no usa? No.
¿Cómo así? No, es así.
Tipo, ¿sabes cuándo es el daño?
Así.
¿Pero cuándo es el daño?
¿Cómo así?
Cuando es el daño. ¿Tú puedes usar tipo C? C.
No.
No. ¿Ese vende?
Sí, de eso se vende.
Ah, ok. Impulsive purchase, guys.
Tiene que ponerlo a cargar que tampoco puede dejarlo. Está descargado.
Cargar. Pretty much impulsive spending. I have a problem. Serious problem because that phone, this one, I might come back and get after spending same dollar different. That's battery life. 6,500. Yeah. Dale. That's it. Nana, pues. Dale. I have to come back and get it. Get some food right now. Kinda little bit disappointed, but what am I gonna do? The truth is, when that phone accidentally hit the wall by accident, I was not upset and that's why I'm glad that I have to pay. Sometimes I have to control your anger, bro. In life, I can't make your anger get the best of you, because at the end of the day, you spend extra money and then you have spending cash that you don't even have. You just go through, and sad part is like 3 days, 3 different price. They might already change the screen. Guess what? The screen not working. Now I'm have to go do a next one. Damn, bro. If only I was a famous YouTuber people subscribe to. All over. Opa. Oh, this is the one. That one look bad. $16. I'm coming up to look at the camera system. It's more like the solar one. Let me see from outside. This big ass ring light would watch. 1, 2, 3. Can have 3, 4, but you know that's kind of old. It's kind of old. Kind of flimsy. Headphone, what do you want a headphone to? I'll come out of this place before I end up losing money. I just look at something interesting. This one. That's so big. Damn, that's huge. That's what she did not say. How much is that? Bro, buy a camera like this. About the same price, I don't remember. should have come for this store. Nah, lie. This store look like them have way more things. But that suit. That store have more things that would suit me more than the phone place. At least I have a purchase with. But I have a purchase I actually need. The phone, I did not need one bit. If you unnecessary, bro, I'm telling you. Very unnecessary. The bad camera also too. 8 minutes from I mean 16 minutes. The thing is, I think I need to start walk on record. Walk on record more often. Leave the shop, just browse. And this is why I'm saying that. It would probably make more sense to do you to be more consistent on YouTube than to sit and wonder. No? We'll finish this conversation in the next segment. But sitting and wondering, that's where I'm at. It's the next day, and what I'm doing is going to pick up the phone again. Remember, this time now it costs me an arm and a leg to fix it. Should I get one of that instead? It's not the same thing. My brother's a technician. I guess if you sell phone case and all them things like, I guess you're a technician must can help you fix phone or whatever. Benganitos. Only when they want to buy something. And when they want to sell you something, then they will like been full of energy and thing. Anyway, back at it again with another day in the life of a barber slash vlogger slash salesman. Back to the same spot and we are going in this time. We'll keep our finger crossed this time. We'll actually fix the phone, get the right screen and think, or else I have no clue what I'm gonna do. Supper. What I notice your man, okay? I'll wait again for another. I'll keep my finger crossed this time. Hopefully it works. Twice I've been here for it. I must keep going up, keep overpaying until okay. First thing. Where? Go. Battery full. No signal. SIM card now. Hey.
No tienes data.
¿Cómo no tiene data? No, el SIM card,
Sí, está ahí.
Ah.
Pero que no tiene internet. ¿Lo revisó?
¿Cómo?
Tiene que revisarlo bien, ya que pantalla no tiene garantía.
La verdad. yo pago porque quieres sacar la cosa que tiene. Después, yo no quiero hacerlo. Eso es porque yo es muy duro. Quieres sacar cuando saca la información que necesito, ya. ¿Cuánto falta? 19. End of the last. Let's see, $20. Remember you know them lighter. This from Amazon. I never regret it, so I said. I bought it on Amazon for like almost the same price. That's it. So. Chip. SD. Movie. Yes, me already. That's gonna be like itself work. Thing is, still have the same problem when I do it before it accidentally it does the edge. The thing. I pull it before, just like still have that shaky problem. Eso no puede. Eso es como off. Yep, make we elevate. So, these are the galaxies. Alright. This one. I don't know, mind. Huh? Huh? Mañana. Okay. Espérame aquí. Dale, gracias. ¿Ahí la Play? ¿Cuánto? Dale, Alfie, gracias. So, I'll get everything started. I'll go buy some food right now. But one thing I try to explain to I try to figure out is why everything like you have to be careful where you are because everything is just gonna be cost in your pocket. You messed up. You messed up, but guess what? The solution every time when you mess up is gonna be dinero, money, plata. So right now I'm in the mall just walking around with a camera recording myself because I really want to figure out this vlogging thing and I want to get to the next level of vlogging, the next tier. the next tier of creation, content creating and all of that. That robot, I'm pretty sure that's a transformer I'm on, with LED, like with crazy LED. Is that Bumbleflea? I'm pretty sure that's Bumbleflea right there. Oh, there's somebody actually inside. I drive it. No. The thing is, Bumblebee and I'm on. Anyway, man, I'm gonna try to get some food while I'm here. While I'm here right now, I'm gonna try to get some food. Eat in my belly. For time. It's been a minute since I've been on this side. I think the last time I've been here, I made the video with Popeyes. Bro, I'm not like this phone at 9. Hell, bro. This is what I actually want. We did not lose. Guys, if when you have cell phone, don't put all of your password and all the information on it. Make sure you have it back up somewhere. Because when you lose that ability to access them, trust me, your days are going to be way too long. Alright? Let me have the information. The information around hello to you too. The information so to pull those information, I just spent $100. To get back those information. You do the maths. You do the maths. And people run back our birthday party. So people have just gonna wait for their food. Tell them I'm gonna blow it here. Sweet and spicy. Banana too. Ojalá sweet and spicy. Para llevar. No, combo no. El combo es 3 presas. Spicy. ¿Qué tal spicy? El combo 3 y ale.
Serían 12.9
Cajeta.
Déjame ver.
Tap and go.
99 se le llama.
A ver, no, dale. So the party finish. The thing is, just everyone's done a practice. Close to the bin. Anyways, we have 99. And we just come and get 99, number 99. Let's fix up KFC. New look. I got the Popeyes right at the corner. I think this spot to me like is way better in the corner, like shape like this. You know the shape there. You know, like 3 direction. Vertical, horizontal, and the other one, diagonal. That's it. A circle. Like round, yeah. Anyway guys, we're gonna wait for the food, so we're not just bored with that. We'll catch you back in the next clip where You know? It's all start. Let's go to the store. I'm gonna take you with me. Whether you like it or not, what we're gonna do is get some water and something to snack and not snack. Actually fiddle. Like that. Let's make a go to the store without any issue. Without any compromisation. Not like that. Okay. That's time itself and nature. The thing break. The thing break. The thing that is holding this camera right now break off. Just pop off. Because it fell out of me hand. The more I wonder, like, just get a next one. The whole like the tripod is set. The whole to like the hanger, and then the neck, like the bit that connect it now break. But more to think about something. Early, guess up. That's a bad boy. So I have to ask myself, like, is it the case where every time you fix something break? Or is it the case where you wait on something to break before you fix it? I'm kinda in that undecisive mindset right now. I'm always thinking about what I'm doing, and trust me, it's not easy. Very difficult. It's very, very difficult. But the thing is, go quick. I do keep pushing and get one, because right now it almost break off. Brand new fridge. You can get a nice piece of pine without the black something on it. Nope. What is this? The middle? Nah, that's the hand, bro. So the only piece that look like the middle. Neat, huh? I need to get something can balance. I don't mean the reason why I'm coming over here. I don't think it's a bad Red Bull.
420. Nada.
Dame una flota.
485.
¿Cuánto?
485.
¿Cuánto? 8.
5.
Hey, ¿cuánto tiempo puedes esperar?
Ah, ya vas a.
¿Cuánto tiempo puedes esperar?
No tengo mucho tiempo.
¿Se puede ya?
¿Qué se fue?
6.
¿Ah?
Para las 6.
Ay. Rapidito, nada más uno.
2.33.
¿Ah?
2.33.
Ya. Listo.
Ya.
1.50.
go wait some more. All of that. Yeah, yeah. Just as me reach. Dude that was putting on the thing them. As me reach, him gone. Machine can pay a lot of things. To do it pay your bank card, credit, the phone, bank, metro system, pay light, gas, phone, all that. Just with that little machine. Just with that little machine you can achieve a lot. Oh man. Break off good, man. Just have my brain going because I have the other one online and I wait for it to reach. If me have the funds right now. Sad. I have to come and again and wait again. More waiting again. Like the sign is I shouldn't buy that shit. Pump over there, all of that. So far, fresh. Nuevo. Black spot and everything. All fit. And I'm out just like that. Jimmy Chewy. Yo, this is hot like fire. It's gonna rain, it's dripping water on my body. Sometimes I record these videos just for exercise, like just to keep the camera up, but no intention for posting it because the energy, just like this one. I know I'm not gonna post this. Hey, what up? Tell your friend that I don't forget about him, yeah? Remember that. It's like because of this type of energy, I ain't gonna try to post this video. I wouldn't put you through this stress, but it's good to capture some things you can use sometime as like overlays and yeah. But the purpose of me now recording this is just for like practice to get me more bold, more out there. The content creating, no? A lot of vehicle popping off. I think my just crossed. Whatever more. Because at the end of the day, somebody have to stop. This coming like it'll take forever. Just now give me a black. Man. Yeah, this ain't gonna be post, my boy.